Hey friends, I'm Paramish. Welcome back to the channel Cube Craft Card. In today's video, we are going to see how to make a beautiful bookmark like this one. This is Pikachu bookmark. This is a normal bookmark without any decorations. Now, let's see how to make. For this step, you need only a square paper. If you didn't have a square paper, you can cut from an A4 size sheet and make like this one. Okay, so let's start. The first step is take the square, fold it into a triangle, exact triangle, fold it and press a little down. And yeah, the first step is make it into a triangle. First it was a square, make it into a triangle now. The second step is there are two sides here, as you can see, one and one more. So take one side and fold it into a top like this. As you can see, it was like this. Now you have made like this. Second step is take this one and fold it into a top. Now, as you can see, the triangle shape was now changed into a diamond shape. Now, take it back to the triangle shape. As you can see, now there are two papers here. Take one of the papers and fold it down. As you can see, there's a V shape here. Fold it towards that. After folding, as you can see, there's a small hole here. So take one side, fold it into up, open the hole like this, put this half into that hole like this, put it inside the hole and fold it nicely. Then take another side like this, put it in the hole again. So after putting the both sides in the hole, you will get a nice bookmark. This bookmark is better than a plain bookmark. So I'll show how to put this bookmark inside a book. Take a book. Instead of this simple and not so looking good bookmark, you can use this bookmarks. Take a page wherever you stopped, put this bookmark inside that like this. After putting, close this and press little topwards as it should go in. After it goes in, you can see the two ears will pop out. This is a good looking bookmark and you can see whichever page you can go. So now let's see some more designs in this. As you can see, you can change this normal good looking bookmark to a super looking bookmark. You can add eyes like these two, nose and mouth. You can add any mouth like smiley mouth and angry mouth, etc. You can add even ears and other hands and other body parts. So this is how you make a simple good looking bookmark. So if you want more content like this, please subscribe to my channel friends. Like it and share it to your friends. Thank you. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.